At Art Metal Workshop, every project begins with a vision, blending function, craftsmanship, and design. This time, we were called by the management of a lakeshore condo community in Toronto. Their request was clear: create a private, welcoming summer rest area for residents, a calm space tucked away from the busy city streets. Our solution? A custom laser-cut privacy fence with a nature-inspired pattern, designed to add warmth, texture, and character. Each panel was precision-cut using advanced CNC laser technology, ensuring clean lines and perfect repetition across the design. The pattern allows light and air to flow through while maintaining a sense of privacy, ideal for a shared outdoor space. This project perfectly represents what Art Metal Workshop stands for: craftsmanship, design, and the art of turning metal into atmosphere. Art Metal Workshop, custom metalwork, made to last, made to inspire,